Leslie here, back with another video. I am literally right in the middle of filming the next video, and I got a new, I got something new. Well, pretty sure it's obvious, but I won't tell you yet. But apparently the BIOS won't post. So, yeah, I won't be able to. And I got the new driver. I got the new BIOS right here. That'll hopefully make it run in this USB flash drive. But I have to press the end key right here as like before post. But it isn't getting any power because it's USB. So yeah, I bought a USB to PS2 adapter, which should be powered always, pretty much. So yeah, it'll arrive in a few days. Yeah, I just wanted to give you an update on one of the videos I'm making. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.